Hi, I just wanted to update you to how Alphachain is doing in the current market climate. In the previous week, all of our funded traders and current candidates have gone remote. Working from home had been a growing trend in 2018 and 2019, but in 2020 it has almost become mandatory. I am also adjusting to working from home and will continue to give you regular updates to how to make remote trading work successfully. I've got my own trading desk set up. All of our traders are still in communication through our online trading room. And in fact, we have added a number of benefits to our funded global trading program. All of our funded traders will be able to trade remotely and access all these benefits. I will keep you updated to our progress. Please be safe and have a good trading week.